2019 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, entertainment system, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.